What is up, guys? This is Theo here, coming to you live with another coding tutorial. Today, I'm in JSBin, but instead of doing JavaScript, I'm going to show you guys how to use TypeScript. TypeScript is just a form of JavaScript developed by Microsoft, and basically, it just allows you to write your JavaScript in more of an object-oriented way. It's strongly typed. It's more ES6 compatible. It already has the let keyword, allows you to use interfaces. If you guys don't understand about TypeScript, I have this link open, typescriptlang.org, and it has this quick start here. You can install it with npm, and it has the little hello TypeScript example and how to convert your TypeScript from TypeScript into JavaScript, and your interface, whatever. So they're using a little student class. We're gonna build our own class. We're gonna build a class of let's just build a class of animal. Okay, so we're to instantiate our class. We just say class with the name of the class, and what we want to do is when they instantiate the class, we want to give them the ability to pass in a name and an age of that animal. So the first one is going to be name, and that's going to be a string. And then we're going to have let me just go to the TypeScript playground. I don't know why JSBin's not working right now. So we're going to have class animal, and you can see as I type in here, it's converting it to JavaScript on the right. So we're going to have a name, which is going to be a string. Okay. And then, why is it throwing that here? Class animal, let me go back real quick. Oh, I haven't instantiated it yet. So we have the class animal. We're going to have a name, which is going to be a string. And we're going to have an age, which is going to be a number. And that's about it. And we'll demonstrate one more. We'll have friends, which is going to be an array of type string. Okay. Now that we have that, in order to get this to work, we have to have a constructor method, which is going to take in all of these. So it's going to take in a name, which is a string, an age, which is a number, and friends, which is an array of type string. We're just going to say this dot name equals name, this dot age equals age, and this dot friends equals friends. And what are we getting? Cannot find name friends. Let me see, I think that's why. This dot. Let me go back real quick. Select class. Alright, let me go to the class using class. Let's take out this. Let's compare what I have. Name, string, age, number. Let's get it to work like that first. Constructor, name, message, string, name, string, age, number, friends. Let me take out that real quick. Okay, so get a class, and then we'll just have this say hello function, which is going to return hello plus this dot name plus this dot age, and let's go down here. For animal 1 equals a new animal with the name of dog and the age of 22, and constructor animal greeting is a string, name is a string. We'll do a name. Age. Do animal age, animal name, string, this dot animal name, this dot animal age. Why is it not liking that? Cannot find name age. Cannot find name age. It's really strange. Cannot find name string. I'm trying to think what is different about this. Class animal. I'm sorry guys, this is like one of the first times I've done a tutorial on it. Which is going to be the name, which is a string. Age, which is a number. It's going to have this constructor method. It's going to take in a name, which is a string. And we say this dot name equals name. Say hello. Just return hello plus this dot name. And then we'll return this dot age. And we'll do name string age is a number. This dot age equals age. Alright. Looks like that actually works. So basically the way this works is you have these parameters and you declare them up here, what the class accepts and what in your constructor method when they're invoking and they're making this instance of this object in memory, the JavaScript compiler or the TypeScript engine, whatever, before it gets compiled. It's going to accept these parameters and they have to be of this type, string, number. You can also put like any, right? So whatever you want, and we can declare, we can make a new animal by calling let animal1 equals new animal. We can put dog for the name. You can see right here it accepts a name of string and an age of number, and then we'll have 22. So that satisfies that, right? But if we were to put hello, we can see right here, argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. Basically, in layman's terms, that just means that we've said that we're expecting a number back, so that's not going to work. However, if we were to change this to 22, still not going to work, right? But, you know, you could always do parse int, and you could put that in that, and that should satisfy it. But we don't really want to do that. We want to change this to any, and this should go away if we change that to any. There you go. But let's change it back to a number, and number, change that to 22. That should stop the compiler from complaining. And let's just add a friends property, which is going to be an array of type any. An array of type any. Okay, I think that satisfies it. A string array, and a string array, an array of type string. Basically, this is interface array with the T being the type. Okay, that's good. So let's see if we were to pass it 1, 2, 3, we can now see that display parameters do not match any signature, right? Because we not pass it in here. So we say friends of type array string, and then we'll say this dot friends equals friends, and now we should get an error that says argument type number array is not assignable to parameter type string array. So let's change this. We'll just see that it'll go away now. And let's change this to Theo, John, and Rick. Now we've satisfied all the conditions plus this dot friends. If we try and run this, open up a new window, inspect it, go to our console, and did I log it out? Oh, I didn't log it out. Okay, let me log out our animal 1. We run that again, inspect element, go to the console, and we see that we have an animal object, we have an age of 22, a name of dog, and a friends array of Theo, John, and Rick. So that's it, guys. It's the first time I've really worked with it, but this is the code. Documentation is really great. You can go to this quick start, and you can just go to the hand type. So you can go to the basic type, and we can see, the booleans, numbers, strings, arrays, tuples, sort of like an array, like a dictionary kind of. Any, void, it's not going to return anything. Let, it has all this great documentation. Yeah, and then you can go to this playground link, and you can play around with it, and you can write your TypeScript, and it'll compile it to JavaScript. So that's pretty awesome. So alright guys, just wanted to change things up, do a quick tutorial. I know messed up a little bit during it, but you can see it's really not that much different from JavaScript. The main thing is just having these interfaces, having these strongly typed parameters, and yeah, I don't know, I think it's more user friendly in terms of like if someone were to read your code. I think that it's more abundant and it's more mature, the code, I think. But alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.